which is the your how you have to prepare for the group discussion, how you have to prepare for the interview. You know that Yourpedia is India's largest platform, which will prepare you that for the GD and the interview part. See about the group discussion, it is all about practice. Definitely yes, you must be aware about some of the topics related to group discussion. लेकिन एक चीज मान के चलना कि जब भी आप एक्चुअल में ग्रुप डिस्कशन में बैठते हैं, there are more than 70-80% chances are there that you don't have any knowledge about the topic. ये assume करके चलना and prepare accordingly. And how you have to prepare this thing, that if you don't have any idea about the group discussion topic, then how you will be able to speak over that, how you can conquer that this group discussion, that can only be done by the practice. Just try to attend as much as mock sessions as possible. Otherwise yes, relevant these topics and will with their explanation will also be provided. Now come to the interview part. See, whenever there is an interview for the experience post, three most important components are there. First one is your introduction, very important. What were you doing from the when you have graduated, or what is the minimum qualification requirement over there? From there till today, what are you doing? From the last 3 years, last 4 years, last 5 years, from last 2 years, what are you doing? Very important thing. So in the introduction you have to mention very interesting things over there, such that कि जो नेक्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन खत्म होने के बाद जो 3-4 क्वेश्चंस है वो वहीं से आने चाहिए. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इंट्रोडक्शन इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट फॉर एनी इंटरव्यू. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू स्पीक ओवर देयर, व्हाट यू डू नॉट टू स्पीक ओवर देयर, very important. Second component is your HR part, and secondly also that introduction also varies from person to person. If somebody is having the experience of 5 years, somebody is having the experience of 1 year, introduction will be totally different. Secondly, about the HR part, if you're already working, this is the experience post, you are already working, why you want to leave that? You have already spent 4 years with this company, why you want to leave that? What negatives you had experienced in your last company? So many questions, why you want to leave that? Why GAIL? Why not any other organization? Why public sector? How you find yourself as the best suitable candidate for this post? So many questions they are going to ask you. This is the HR part. And the third part, that is a technical domain. See, now it depends upon that how much experience you have. If your experience is, let us suppose, 1 year only, or near to 1 year, 1.5 year, then they are going to expect, they are going to ask the question from your job experience. That will be there whenever there is experience post, they ask you from your job experience. But if your experience is 1.5 year, then they can also expect very basic understanding about the subjects with which that you were dealing. जिस भी टॉपिक से आप डील कर रहे हैं, जिस भी डोमेन में आप वर्क कर रहे हैं, उसके रिलेटेड वो बेसिक एक्सपेक्ट करता है. बट अगर आपका एक्सपीरियंस इज लेट अस फॉर 3 years 5 years, then your complete interview will go into your job experience part. So for the job experience, what they are going to ask you, this is very important. Now again, to prepare for all these things, what they can expect, what they are going to ask you, how you have to judge that, how you can know these things, again by going for the mock sessions. Once you start going for the mock session, then only automatically the question will come. Because somebody asked me, people ask me that sir, do you have the list of questions which were being asked last year? Yes, we have the question which were being asked last year, but the question varies person to person. See, this question is very common. Why you want to join GAIL? Why you want to leave your previous organization? Is there any standard answer for that? No. Answer varies from person to person. Similarly, questions also varies from person to person. और अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि क्या जब आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं एक्चुअल में, तो क्या उन्होंने सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अपने पास रखे होते हैं जो उन्होंने पूछने हैं? नहीं. सिमिलरली, जब आप कभी भी मॉक के लिए जाएंगे तो क्या सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस मेंटर ने रखे होंगे अपने पास? नहीं. जब आपका इंट्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट होगा, वहीं से तो यार सारा स्टोरी स्टार्ट होता है, वहीं से तो क्वेश्चन जो फ्रेम होने ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट होते हैं. सो दिस कम्स बाय द एक्सपीरियंस. सो द ओनली वे टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द इंटरव्यू is by going for the mock session as much as possible. 1 or 2 session is not going to solve the purpose. You have to go for the multiple number of sessions, because when you go for the multiple sessions with multiple mentors, then only multiple variety of questions comes out automatically, and then you will answer that. You will stuck over there. आप झूठ भी बोलोगे, ब्लफ मारोगे, आपको लगेगा मेरा सही गया, मैंने कन्विंस कर दिया, मे बी शायद उसको, they are very experienced person. ऐसा नहीं होता है. So in the end you get the feedback. That feedback is the most important part for any mock sessions, either GD, either the interview. There is a scope of improvement, and that improvement may be in terms of your knowledge, and that improvement may be in terms of your personality, your communication, and your your how you have basically speaking over there. That is there. Communication का मतलब कभी भी लैंग्वेज से नहीं होता है. कम्युनिकेशन का लैंग्वेज नहीं है, और लैंग्वेज बैरियर जो है वो हट चुके हैं. ओवरऑल ऑब्जेक्टिव जो इस इंटरव्यू का रहता है, जो इंटरव्यूअर होते हैं, जो आपसे पूछते हैं क्वेश्चन, तो ओवरऑल ऑब्जेक्टिव यही है, आर यू सूटेबल कैंडिडेट फॉर दिस पोस्ट? क्या आपका जो जॉब एक्सपीरियंस है वो इस जॉब के लिए हेल्प कैसे करेगा, डायरेक्टली डायरेक्टली। सो ओवरऑल ऑब्जेक्टिव वो ये जानने का कोशिश करेगा कि क्या आप इस जॉब के लिए सूटेबल कैंडिडेट हैं, वाई यू वांट टू ज्वाइन गेल एंड वाई यू आर इंटरेस्टेड फॉर दिस गेल, ये सारी चीजें, और पिछला जॉब आपने क्यों छोड़ना है। ये 3-4 चीजें होते हैं जो आपसे वो बाय आस्किंग वेरियस डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन दे विल आस्क यू, राइट। तो इस तरीके से प्रिपेयर करो। यू कैन ज्वाइन योरपीडिया फॉर एनी ऑफ द मॉक सेशंस फॉर गेल और फॉर एनी ऑफ द पब्लिक सेक्टर, you can go for the mock sessions of Yourpedia. If you have any query, this contact number is mine. You can call me directly and you can discuss with me. Thank you and all the best to all of you.